Made from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Days been gone, a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Brian Hyde, I'm calling to pay you and your company and your crew that came to our house that worked here today that removed our tile. They were outstanding, better than great and better than good. And I think they were just great. Every move counted when they were working and things were laid out. They worked together well. I think they represented you and your company just tremendously. If I owned a company, that's the type of employee I want working for me. They were just terrific, and I appreciate the way they went about doing their work. I feel they took pride in what they were doing as if it was their own home. And the controlling of the dust and the moving of the product out to your trailer, it was just great. I have nothing but great things to say about you and your company. Thank you so much. And the people that work here today. Goodbye.